If your GMC Acadia is failing to crank when you turn the key, let's walk through the most common culprits in under 3 minutes. Statistically, 8 out of 10 no-start conditions in these SUVs stem from simple electrical issues rather than a seized engine. Before you call a tow truck, we need to systematically rule out the easy fixes. Always start by checking your battery terminals for corrosion and ensuring your key fob battery isn't too weak to send a signal. The primary suspects are usually a dead battery, a failing starter solenoid, or a simple ground strap that has lost its connection. If the basics check out, look toward the ignition fuse, the alternator, or the neutral safety switch preventing the engine from cranking. Cleaning terminals is a perfect DIY task, but replacing the starter motor or diagnosing the engine control module is best left to a professional. Here is what you can expect to pay for parts and labor, with batteries being the most cost-effective solution. Use a multimeter to load test your battery, and always scan for OBD-I codes to see if the vehicle's computer is reporting a specific fault. Keep a basic multimeter, a budget-friendly OBD-I scanner, and a wire brush in your kit to handle these diagnostics at home. Remember, when in doubt, check the ground connections first, as most electrical headaches are just caused by dirty or loose metal contacts. If this helped you get your Acadia back on the road, hit that like button and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides.